just the awareness of myself.
Hi, so I just had, I think, my second or third experience with meditation, and my first experience with Mr. Shaktiji, and I just did it for five minutes, I think, but it made a big difference, and I feel really relaxed. My head started feeling lightheaded, and all my thoughts, the negative thoughts, were blocked out. It's amazing how, just for 5 minutes you can feel completely aware of your own body, of your breathing, and I think it's a really remarkable experience that I will always remember. Thank you.